Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's a small package and I'm about to get a new AEG, so might as well get some more BBs. So open this package, and I got this from Airsoft Megastore. Let's see. Get this open. So I got these golden balls. I heard they were very good quality, and I'm getting my AEG soon, my new one, and I don't want to mess up the gearbox and stuff. So just got some better BBs. Guess it's kind of worth it. It's really good. Also, King's Arms is really good. Used to use it. I still use it. It's good quality. Yeah. Okay guys, so my package just came. I have another package coming tomorrow from Air Rattle, I believe. And this is from E-Like, I think. And it's really quick pack. Nothing really in it. I have like 2 items. I believe it's my knife and barrel cover. So it is it's my receipt. Alright, so I got that box open. So first thing I got this rubber training knife. Here it is. You should strap it onto your belt. This keeps it in place. It's pretty comfortable, yeah. It's rubber, won't hurt anybody, I guess. It's cool. So I'm just gonna put this over here. And then I got a barrel cover for my gun. Drawstring. It's nice. Nice red color. That's all I got from E-Bike. More packages coming in tomorrow. I think I got one coming in from Air Rattle. And then next week I got a few more coming in. My next few packages are gonna be birthday presents for my brother. So he's getting a AK-47, and I'm getting my new AEG. So yeah, that's it guys. Oh yeah guys, I'm back. Sorry, almost forgot. So this, hope you guys can see that. What's the code for E-Bike here? If it would focus. I'll just read it. E3S2117GX. Well guys, I actually got 2 packages today from, I think it was Airsoft Cart International, and then I got one from Air Rattle. So I'm gonna open the packages real quick. Alright, so I got everything open, and this package for my red dot sight, or green dot sight, actually surprised me because it wasn't really supposed to come today. I thought it would come later. So that's nice. So got a scope. Let me open it. And this was from China, so I thought it would take a little bit longer. But yeah. So a wrench. Got this in a bag. Right, there's silica gel packet. I don't need that. Let's see. I forgot what these are called, but something to clean the lens. And then that, and I like the scope because it has a kill flash. That's nice. Let's see. Does it come with a battery? I don't even know how to open this. Let me see. Is it like that? I think so. Let me try to open this. Yeah, it does come with a battery. It's lithium cell CR1632 3V. Yep, comes with a battery. Alright, that's nice. Let me close that. Alright, seems like a really nice scope. And I believe it's by JJ, and it's a T1. think that's what it was called. Yeah. Sweet. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Alright. Next, some air rattle. I got a mask. I think it will protect my face. I got another mask that's coming soon. I got goggles. And oops. Hope you didn't see anything there. And I got a battery. This is a light bulb by Valken. So these goggles, I heard they do fit over glasses, and I hope they do because I have glasses, and I don't know if these will fit over my glasses, but I can't get this open right now. How do you open this guy? I feel so stupid right now. Alright, got it. I'm just gonna try it on real quick. Kinda fits over my glasses. That's nice. Alright guys, sorry I had to cut, but I tried out this scope. It's really nice. Kill flash. I didn't need to get a protector, but I probably should, because I don't want the kill flash to get messed up, but protects the lenses. You can also adjust it. You just have to take these out, and then I can't really get it out right now. You have to take this off. You just screw it off. Same with the top right here. And oops. Let me go get that real quick. Alright. And so these two knobs stick in the holes like this, and you adjust it like that. And then when you're done, you just twist it back on. And then use this to adjust brightness, how big the dot is, and what color. So there's green and red. It's actually really nice. I tried it out. Yeah. And as a mount, and you have to loosen this with a screw when you get it. Not a screw, a wrench when you first get it. So yeah. And then next, tried on these goggles. They don't really fit that well over my glasses, but they do a job. Full seal, anti-fog. Makes things really bright. This is good for night too because it's yellow lens. And then I tried on my mask. It fits pretty good, I guess. I'm gonna be getting a mesh one too, so try that one on. But one thing I don't like is it's got holes over here, so there's a chance the BB might go through. Cause I've seen reviews, and might like shoot you in the lips or like your face, somewhere around there, your nose, and also over here too. Probably won't really like hit over there, but yeah, it's pretty decent mask. So that's about it. So I got this battery, and it's a LiPo, and 1,600 milliamp and 11.1 volts, 20C by Valken. And I believe this is a mini brick or a pet box battery, and hope it fits in my gun, because my gun, sorry about that noise, my gun is known for small battery space. So yeah, I'm getting 2 new guns next week, and I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna upload it. Alright, so